Here's how to cast from your laptop to any smart TV. First, make sure your laptop and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for wireless screencasting to work. On your smart TV, press the Settings button on the remote. Then, select Display and Sounds, and select Enable Display Mirroring. Leave the screen open so your Fire TV stick is ready to receive a connection. On other smart TVs, open the screen mirroring, cast, or wireless display option depending on your TV model. To cast from a web browser, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Cast. Choose your Smart TV or Fire TV stick from the list of available devices. If no device appears, confirm that your TV is in screen mirroring mode and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To mirror your entire laptop screen, open the Windows Quick Settings panel from the taskbar and select Cast. Wait for your Smart TV or Fire TV stick to appear, then select it. If prompted, approve the connection on your TV. Once connected, choose Duplicate to mirror your laptop screen or select another display mode if preferred. That's all for this video. Thanks.